Hello! Today I'll be taking you through a recent update to our data masking solution and introducing you to our new embedded dictionary component. The purpose of this component is to create a custom dictionary of values for data masking. In this example, if we click on the component source file, you will see two columns of test data we created to illustrate the functionality of this feature. To load a new dictionary, go to the Input Columns menu and select Dictionary under Custom Properties. You will be taken to a new window where you can create a new column for substitution. We will be using the test data we created earlier. To create a new column, add the name of your column and click Add. Once created, the component will take values from this column for data masking. Add your values to the test column. Once completed, export this data to your computer. For example purposes, we will be saving this to our desktop as a CSV file for easy importing into the software. Name your file clearly and save. Back in the editor, you can delete your test column as we will be importing the file directly. Now import your file and click OK to replace the old data. Next, navigate to Input Columns and select the data you just imported. Before moving on, click on Input and Output Properties and check that the columns are correct. You can click on Test Data to view it on the right-hand side of the screen. Drag to enlarge the screen if some of the data is unclear. You can click on all columns to check if all information is correct and ready. Only once you're satisfied, click OK. The final step is to check at the destination editor to see if everything is correctly mapped. Click Mappings to see which destination has been selected for your input columns. Once everything has been checked, go back to Embedded Dictionary and click Start in the top menu to run your component. Once the component has run successfully, confirmation ticks in green will appear. Thanks for watching.